Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the YouTube Shorts file you want to share as a status. You need the YouTube Shorts video file saved to your phone first. Open the YouTube app and tap Share on the short. Choose Save Video when available or use a trusted downloader if necessary. Remember that YouTube Shorts can be up to 60 seconds. WhatsApp status allows 30 seconds per clip. Confirm both apps are updated. Check that YouTube and WhatsApp are updated to the latest app versions. Next, trim and export the short for WhatsApp status. Trim the video to 30 seconds or less to fit a single WhatsApp status clip. Use your phone's built-in editor or a simple trimming app to cut precisely. Choose MP4 format and export at 1080p for clear playback and small file size. Save the trimmed file to your camera roll or the WhatsApp status folder for easy access. Verify the duration and preview playback before opening. Finally, open WhatsApp and post the trimmed short as your status. Open WhatsApp, go to Status, and tap the camera icon or My Status to add your clip. Select the trimmed MP4 from your camera roll or gallery and preview it. Add a caption, stickers, or text if you want, then tap Send to publish. If the original short is longer than 30 seconds, split it into parts and post consecutive clips. Check playback on another account to confirm it appears correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.